Welcome. Today we're taking a look at another Seiko. This one, I bought this from eBay. Quite an impulse buy as always. This supposedly retails for £290 in the shops. This is the Seiko SSB296P1. Now, found a seller of this on eBay, brand new, with tags, everything. I managed to get that person down to £130, which I think is quite a good deal. It's a chronograph watch. Let's move this box aside so you can take a closer look at the watch. It's a chronograph watch. As you can see, black dial, rose gold color. Comes with standard Seiko 2-year warranty. It is a quartz movement. The battery life on this is supposed to be 3 years. Water resistant up to 100 meters, I believe. Black leather strap, as you can see. And the chronograph, see that at the 12 o'clock position, on press, and we are off and running. See the seconds clock at the bottom as well. There, we stop the chronograph and you can see reset it. Press that button. Precision is supposed to be plus or minus 15 seconds per month. See, very accurate watch. Stainless steel case. The band material is calf skin apparently. And the chronograph supports date, hour, minute functions. Suitable for most water sports, as you would expect. Okay, now let's do some quick testing. The weight of this watch, 81 grams. In terms of the diameter of this watch, it is 43 millimeters. Lug to lug, we're looking at 50 millimeters. And a height of 13 millimeters. Strap itself is 18.9, 19 millimeters. So not a bad price. No, from eBay. Occasionally, if you do scour around on eBay, you do find some good value watches like this, significantly below retail price. There's a date function there, as you can see, at the 4 o'clock position. Okay, let me take it. Actually, let's put it on the wrist, show you what it looks like on my 7-inch wrist. Right, let's take it outside so you can get a proper look at how it reflects off daylight. It's quite nice, isn't it? Seiko Outdoors. This black dial, rose gold case, black strap. Nice combination. Wears quite big on my wrist. It's a nice little everyday watch that you can wear just about to any occasion, really. If you like what you see, please leave comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your patience in waiting to the end of this review. Thanks so much.